do you think if I say India? Bollywood? Yeah, same with me. But the real India has many things that you may not know. The first university of the world comes from India, called Taxila University or Nalanda, as early as 700 before centuries. India has been and continues to be home of innovation, creativity, and leadership as world-leading companies are being helped by products of Indian education system. India is one of Asian countries that learn and practice English as a focus is on communication, not as a grammar. I wish I get an opportunity to visit India, especially for continue my study there, so I can improve my skill in English and of course my teaching skills. India has many delicious foods and beverages such as dahi puri, chef puri, chicken tandoori, and lassi. India has some unique cultures such as Diwali and Holi. India has many beautiful places that I want to visit, such as Thar Desert, Guru Dongmar Lake, Valley of Flower, and Gulmarg. I feel strong positive and very interested to visit India for studying, traveling, getting some experiences with local cultures, trying the traditional clothes, tasting the foods and beverages. How about you? Don't you have the same feeling with me?